This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the switch online and ready. Connect to Wi-Fi and confirm the system is up to date. Once done, open a network login or captive portal. This often exposes the hidden browser. If the browser doesn't appear, use your phone to trigger the portal by visiting any HTTP site, then return to the console. Make sure you have a Google account handy for sign-in. Having another device speeds URL entry and multi-factor prompts. Now you'll navigate to Google using the browser window exposed by the captive portal or system web view. Tap the address bar, enter Google.com or a search phrase, and use the on-screen keyboard. It's slower but works. Once Google loads, sign into your account if necessary. Expect two-factor prompts on your phone or email. If the keyboard covers content, adjust zoom or orientation. Scrolling with the stick and tapping links replicates normal browsing. To finish, bookmark Google.com for faster access and keep signed in only on trusted networks. When done, close the browser via the home button to preserve the session. If pages won't load or redirects loop, reboot the switch and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Captive portals often reset this way. If sign-in repeatedly fails, forget the wireless network, rejoin it, and retry the portal flow. This clears stale sessions and usually resolves login or redirect problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.